Oops. Woo, woo, whoa. Okay, come on, Sam. Push. Push it hard. Barb, give him a give him a start. Barb.
We stopped just between Chilliwack and Hope at a rest center.
Come on.
Go, baby, go. Yeah. Sat down at a picnic table.
Sam, push, push. There you go. There you go. Come on.
Oh, yay! What a big boy! What a big boy!
I've never seen those.
Oh, haven't you?
No.
Wow,
No.
what a machine
Poor
that
Sammy
is.
would have been deprived.
Yes!
Deprived.
I can just see him tearing around after
Michelle and Mark
Porter.
don't have the room, and I thought, so yesterday I put it together.
Okay, Sam.
I bring it for Sammy.
Push it, push it, push it and walk. Come on. Oh, you got to walk with it. Yeah. There you go. Push. Oh, no. There you go, Sam.